Hello YouTube, this is John, the YouTube mechanic. Today we're replacing the thermostat housing on a 2013 Chrysler Town & Country, and I'm going to show you the steps. What you're going to want to do is take your engine cover off, then your PVC pipe, and the whole entire airbox. Once that's done, remove the pump. Do not take the hoses off, just remove it from the housing, and then take this box out and it'll give you room. Remove, and you got your power steering pump set aside. You're going to want to remove this hose. After you get that hose removed, you're going to get these two 10mm bolts right here. There's one here and one underneath. This will help the coolant drain. And before you take this hose fully off, put a catch fin underneath it. And once you get the hose off, you leak a little coolant. And now we can remove the housing. In those bolts, you can pull it out now. And this is the housing and thermostat together. The new part should look exactly like this one. I haven't got it yet, it's being delivered. And you'll have to bleed the coolant system a little bit just to make sure it has no air. And you can see why we're replacing this one. And so yeah, just to install, repeat the process in reverse. And that's how we replace the thermostat. Just gonna show you real quick. So you're gonna put your new thermostat on there, and you're gonna tighten it pretty snug. Don't over tighten it. Okay, then you put your hose on, put your air box back on there, top your coolant off, turn your car on, and open this valve up, and air should be coming out of it. Once straight coolant comes out, that means there's no more air, and you can close this back up. And you could just bleed it by leaving this open with the car on. Make sure it's full of coolant. And that's about it. Remember to hook everything back up right. Don't forget the sensor for your airbox. And yeah, that should be it. Make sure you have heat inside the car, and you should be good.